So as you can imagine, keeping a fire going and getting it going in a semi-blizzard can be a handful. I use the metaphor I was the paramedic and kept the patient alive and kept the fire going until Mark could step in. And Dr. Dunham,
RMD, bro.
That's right, steps in, put up a roof for us really quick with our stash tarps, which I'm sitting on, and about to all our stuff that we had stashed, these old Zippo fluid and ropes, tarps. We got flashlights, so we're good. But the fire can be a pain in the ass. So we were here on the 13th, and it was 13 degrees. 4 days later, and our first blizzard of the winter. Mark is a little more skilled with the fire than me. But I will take credit, I did start it. Half the battle. It's a beast, everything is so wet and still like we are running way low on wood. A 4-hour fire, we can consume a tree as big as, 8-9 feet, 4 or 5 hours. So on the menu today, we have chicken wings, sausages, hamburgers, old-fashioned barbecue lays, and regular lays, bacon. That's my minus 50 hat, just in case. I roll with the Gregory. Representing Survivor Man, I guess. And this is our ho ho ho, the mistletoe spread, which I just got trucks in the summer. And wood, and it's wood, wood, and more wood, and more wood. That's as exciting as it gets out here. You pretty much spend all day getting wood. So we'll chip away at this camp, trip after trip, and go from there. All right, let's getting set up. Fire's going. Roof's on. We've been here 57 minutes. Not even. 45 minutes. We got the roof on, fire going. We'll be back. Cheers.